In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gmail junk mail. It's an easy process that can help you recover important emails that might have mistakenly been filtered as spam or junk. Whether you're waiting for a crucial business email that hasn't shown up in your primary inbox, or simply keeping your inbox tidy, understanding how to navigate through your junk mail is essential. First, let's head over to Gmail. Open your preferred web browser and type in mail.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox, but remember, you will need to be signed into your Google account to access your emails. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, take a moment to glance through your emails. Chances are the email you're looking for isn't here if you suspect it's been marked as junk or spam, hence why you're following this guide. Now, the next step requires a bit of navigation. Look towards the left side of your Gmail window. You'll see a list of folders and labels starting with inbox, starred, snoozed, and so forth. But we're interested in something that's a bit hidden. To uncover it, you'll need to click on the More button. This might seem inconspicuous at first glance, nestled among other options, but it's your gateway to additional folders, including the one we're searching for. After clicking More, you'll see your list expand. Among the newly displayed options, you're looking for one labeled spam. It might be a surprise that our all-important emails can end up here, but that's precisely why we're checking. Click on Spam to proceed. Once you're inside your spam folder, you'll be greeted by emails that Gmail's algorithms have flagged as potentially harmful or not important. But algorithms aren't perfect, and occasionally emails that you actually want or need can end up here. Take your time to scroll through and inspect the emails. If you find the one you've been looking for, or any others you'd rather not miss, simply open it to read the contents. Finding an important email in spam might be a relief, but you're not done just yet. To prevent future emails from the same sender from being mistakenly marked as spam, you'll want to mark it as not spam. While viewing the email, look for a button or link that says not spam, or has a similar indication. This action promptly moves the selected email to your primary inbox, and it helps train Gmail's filtering algorithms to recognize this sender as safe in the future. But what if you've thoroughly checked and the email isn't there? It's possible the email has yet to arrive, or there could be other issues at play, like the sender having the wrong email address. In such cases, reaching out directly to the sender for clarification is a good next step, and that's essentially all there is to checking your Gmail junk or spam mail. Simple, right? By regularly checking your spam folder, not only do you recover those mistakenly filtered messages, but you also keep your Gmail account tidy and under control. Remember, just like with cleaning your physical mailbox, maintaining your digital one is key to managing your information and ensuring you're on top of your communications. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. Consider regularly reviewing your spam filter settings in Gmail. This can give you more control over what gets filtered and how. You can find these settings in the See All Settings area of Gmail under the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Thank you for joining me in this straightforward yet essential guide to checking your Gmail junk mail. It may seem like a small aspect of email management, but it can make a significant difference in ensuring you don't miss out on important messages. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks that will make navigating the digital world a breeze.